Hi, my name is Kate. I'm the dental hygienist at Audley Dental Solutions. Now you've had your implant placed, we feel that it's really important that we give you the knowledge and some top tips on how to keep your implant healthy at home. First of all, it's really important that we explain to you the best brushing technique for your implant. We can get a build-up of bacteria underneath the gum crevice, same as we can around our own teeth. It's important that we use our toothbrush correctly so we get into the gaps and crevices around the implant to remove the bacteria. A nice small head electric toothbrush is probably best, and I can show you the very best way to use that around your own implant. As well as using the correct brushing technique, it's really important that we show you how to clean in between your implant and the tooth next door, or what we call interdental cleaning. We can show you a range of different brushes to fit in between, also special types of floss. The most important thing is that we show you the correct size for the gap. If you're using something that's too small, it's just going to leave bacteria behind, and if you're trying to force something in that's a bit too big, you might damage the gum. And the one thing about cleaning in between your teeth and around your implants is we try and encourage you to do it every day. We place a range of different implants. Every patient is individual, and it's my role to introduce to you special oral hygiene products to keep your implants as healthy as possible. I look forward to meeting you and helping you here at Audley Dental Solutions.